I'm Rick. Hello guys, today we're gonna do something. This is my boy Snow, aka Normie, this dude. Yeah, well call me.
Mami, tirame ese almohadón blanco.
Bueno, blanco.
Recording.
Bueno, blanco.
Huh?
Bueno, blanco.
Gordon. Huh?
Ese almohadón, mami, tirame.
Alright. Oh.
Cuidado así, no, como
Perdón,
le ocurre,
perdón.
nena. No, como le ocurre, es un daño.
Perdón,
No.
Okay, back to the video. Oh, somebody standing on me. Hello. Say hi. I'm gonna, yeah. I'm gonna say to them. Say hi to you. Say hi to. Oh, she didn't want to know. Okay. Snowflake. I'm a snowflake. So, everybody wants to know my channel. If I said I'm Rick, they want to know what's your channel. Oh, but I'm not the Albert Stuff fan. Oh, Albert Stuff fan. Well, yeah, he's checking my channel out. So shout out to him. Shout out to everybody I know. Yo, subscribe to my channel. Also, if you don't know, I'm using this for record again. If you don't know, I'm gonna show you something different. I changed my YouTube name, but it still is there. Look, yeah, it's gonna be copyrighted. Something. Oh no. Oh, I love Week. Yeah, don't embarrass me. Hey, for example, they didn't change this still. Yeah, they didn't change this. And subscriber, we're related. Check out all our videos. For example, 10 views, nice. Like this one. I like our videos. Yeah, alright. Yeah, I was back to the video. Yeah, I'm playing, Adapter is a cute kid. Whoa, this dude follow me. Perdón. This dude's follow me. Why I want to see what he's putting the music on. Yeah. Hell no. Could say hell no. Hell no. It's snowflake. I'm a snowflake. He really wants snow. So be right back, okay? BRB. Yeah, I'm gonna be AFK for a while. You guys relax, alright? Like I said. Okay, I'm gonna shut up. Okay, I'll be right back, guys. In the future, we're put Alex the Roblox Gamer. Put Alex the Roblox gamer. Yes, yes, I do. Before I had four. Yes, it was a creepy pasta on it. Like, yeah, I'm gonna use this for recording every time. YouTube.
Hello. Hello.
Put my channel, right? Yeah. Yeah, I had one view.
Bien, ¿oíste? Bien.
Oh, my future channel.
No.
Future channel.
Gustado porque
How? I'm gonna count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Wait.
ayer trabajé en la
6,
noche.
7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14.
Precisamente
Wait.
dormido
Okay, I
toda
need
la
to point it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8,
Ajá.
9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 27, 1. Oh, he left. Oh, he left me for choose just one of the views.
Yo trabajo en una
Yeah,
compañía
so,
de
yeah, I'll tell you another game. Maybe will recognize me. Let's see the old videos. This one was so weird, but it was viral, I think.
Y por allá, ¿cómo están? Sí, ahora sí, pero mamá viene temprano por ellos.
Yeah, look at this time. Look at it. That was horrible. Look, it's horrible. Sounds not really bad for in real life, right? Cause Alexa, look, I disconnect from the server. This is the best game. I love this one.
Mira, papá.
Yeah, look at it. Look. Oh, why I didn't play that? Yeah.
Okay.
No.
Sí, gracias de todas formas.
But do some scams. Yeah. Nah. I'm gonna see the new update. No. Weird. Albert Stuff moms have more. Has 13 plus. I'm not even 13 plus yet. Not really. I am, but ugh. I'm going to the zip line. Nobody gonna recognize me there because nobody knows. Almost nobody knows me. Right? Let's see how many friends I have. Oh, what the? Accept. Yeah, accept that. Let's see. How many? Oh, 106. All right, you can still friend me if you want. You see, it's Mike the Cutie. Or I'm gonna show you my old account, Alex Life. Over. Yeah, there you go. I was rich back that cool back then. I was thinking, was that cool? Yeah, cause somebody give me some Robux for free. No scam. Hell no. He was one of my friends too. I was a helper, by the way. And yeah, I'm not in the group, but so what is a cool dudes? Those cool dudes. I think he befriended me, something. But it's I really like that dude. When I asked him for some Robux. He said yeah. He was cool with it. And who did this? Yeah, that's copyrighted. Okay, now let's I'm gonna go to the zip line. Yeah, 15 plus. It's okay. Still have more money. Yeah. What the fudge? What the? Okay. Zip line. Yes, I have it. Okay, probably not popular anymore. You, that's cool. That's cool, yo. Yeah, that's ow, that hurt. Do the other way. Yeah, so yeah, I'm gonna be checking out these games later. I'm gonna film another video. Yeah, so tell you guys, it's pretty cool. They put us. It was a good zipline thingy. Yeah, let's log in. Spooky, scary skeleton. Zeros on your spine. Look around, check your soul. It's all taken now. So yeah, I was going to later. We're gonna film another video of what do you call yeah, I'm gonna do that. I never logged into this account. I just for myself. Never really used account. I was using this one. I was playing this. Let's see what. Okay, what's my Mike the Cutie, aka me? I doing? Yeah, I was trying to do a hack. Did not work. Like my what do you call all my brothers. He told me to join his name is Sammy. Yeah, I joined him this time. See how we count my badges. 61, okay, 61. Yeah, we're gonna be trolling some people later. Yeah, I just joined this, and it says all my new brothers, Mr. Noob, Michael Noob, Michael Jackson Noob, and Top Hat Noob. Yeah, he's the dope one too. Yeah. Hey, Rate, tip. That's my tip. Ooh, I love that tip. Look, all the Breakin' Brothers over here gathering around Pod. Oh. Yeah, I don't have money to buy anything, so yeah, I'm gonna be trolling later. Yeah, with this account, I'm gonna be trolling. With my main account, I'll be checking some games, being all weird and stuff. So yeah, subscribe, subscribe. Check my Instagram out. Yeah, you think I don't have an Instagram? Yes, I do, but it doesn't look like it, huh?
O sea que ese es el trabajo que ellos hacían.
I'm gonna do Insta. Yeah, I could just not do it. Put it on Google. So okay. Instagram. Oh.
Here is some information about Instagram.
Go. That's my brother. Yeah, that's my sister. My big sister. Yeah, that's a lot of noise. They call me Annie Bay. I don't know why my cousin decided my name. Yeah, if you don't notice, I did this. I love doing this. And I love to draw. And I don't know. My cousin. Yeah, probably. Yeah. It's my cousin. Yeah, she looks. Oh, look at her. Look at her. Oh, come on, my little sister. Really? Really?